So you put on your back windscreen wiper and it's not working. Okay, let's have a look. Now can you hear that hum? That's the motor going. So there's something wrong with the wiper assembly. Okay, let's get this bit off. I'm going to take these covers off. Okay, now I'm going to take this bit off. And this one is a number 13. It's like when the boot is closed. Let's have a closer look at the mechanism. Yes, we can see that it is not engaged as it should be. So that's how it's supposed to be. In case any of you have the same issue, this bit can get jammed up. Right, it's supposed to be on a spring. Okay, now it's done. Let's see if it works.